Gotta keep the mustache alive. Still November. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jake Blackstaff, and this is another video on my Becoming a Better Filmmaker series I'm doing, where I'm going to take ideas or things I've seen and try to recreate it to help myself get better at making videos. So today's video, I want to try to make like a quick 6-second like product ad. I've seen a lot of this on Instagram where someone will have like a Red Bull or a Monster Energy drink or something along those lines, like some canned products is what I'm aiming for in this one, and they do like a quick ad. So I want to try to recreate something like that today. Disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing on this one, so this is going to be quite the challenge, but I feel like I'll learn a lot doing this. But at first, I need to go hit up a dollar store or something to get some stuff to make like a set. But hopefully this won't be too hard to figure out. All right, let's get it going. All right, I got a few things. I got some clamps, it could be useful. A spray bottle for misting water on the cans. This will give that like refreshing look. Some tape, always useful. A cup, I got some ideas, this will be useful. And then some Red Bulls, because you need a product, right, to make a product ad. Anyways, let's go make some. Well, apparently these things are just a little too cheap when they come from the dollar store. Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so matte black coverings, both sides, gives us a pretty good look, pretty bright light. For filming today, I got my A6400 with a Tamron 17 to 28, 2.8, new lens, testing it out. And then this light is actually just something I threw together off Amazon. It's nothing special, but it seems to be working, and I got it angled off the box because it doesn't really tilt. So yeah, and I got a little aperture MC just for a rim light to go with the key light. I got something interesting. Next step, I guess, is I'm going to edit it together. I think I need to find some good music now, though, or I go heavy sound effects. I don't know. I'll see what it looks like on the computer. Well, I thought that turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments below if you enjoyed my quick little 12-second ad. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. But yeah, anyways, I want to jump into the edit and show you guys a couple things I did, a couple things I learned, if you're curious to see how this worked out, because this was all day affair to make a 12-second video. So let's jump into that and I'll show you what I did. So the first shot here, this is in 4K, and I digitally zoomed in because all my shots are actually static shots. So as you can see, it kind of zooms in, and then I used my little light to make that like effect of the light going across the can, because it makes the shadow move and it made it look a little more interesting. And then the second shot is nothing special. It's just the can opening, part of it. And then the pour here, I slowed down halfway through to give that like kind of like that slow effect. And then in this shot, I digitally zoomed out to do the transition. So it kind of goes from almost the same shot to the can being placed. And then after that, I just matched everything to the music as far as the logo popping up and then having it fade out and whatnot. So that part was pretty easy. The hard part was getting the right music and the right sound effects. That took a very long time to figure out what I want to use. I've been using Epidemic Sound for my sound effects and music, There's a lot of other options out there. Just for me, price point with having the sound effects and the music, it was really good, so I went with that one. All the shots were shot in S-Log 2. I haven't really used it that much, but I wanted to try it out and try to get better at the color grading aspect of this. And since I had a fairly controlled set with lighting and everything, it was a lot easier for me to like get it right, and then they'd be good for all the clips. So that's what I did there, and it gives you a better looking image. Everything was shot in 4K or 1080p at 120 on my camera because I have the Sony A6400. So that's about it for the edit. I learned quite a bit making this. One is like I need to be better at planning ahead of time, because this whole video, the idea of it, I knew what I wanted to do, and I set the day to do it. I used up a lot of the time that I had getting things to do this, where I could have got those ahead of time. So that was definitely a big thing, is planning ahead of time and then getting everything I need ahead of time so I don't have to worry about it on the day. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you enjoyed my Red Bull ad. And by no means am I sponsored by Red Bull or any of that sort. It was just simply a fun idea to do. So Red Bull, hit me up. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna leave you guys with the ad again so you can check it out. So yeah, enjoy.